Good morning, students. So let us start new chapter, chapter 10, money. Now let us revise. Count the money in Sonu's piggy bank. He opened his piggy bank to buy a toy. So as you can see, few currencies as well as coins. So let us see how much money is there in his piggy bank. 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5, again plus 5, again plus 10, again plus 10, plus 2 and plus 1. Total money in his piggy bank equals to rupees 330. Okay. Now, as we all know that Government of India has introduced few new currencies. Government of India has banned the note of 1000 as well as 500. Means earlier older one, Government of India has banned the older notes of 1000 and 500. Now Government of India has launched few currencies. So we have Amarnath sir to show you those currencies. Amarnath sir, please. So students, as you can see clearly, this is a currency of, or this is a note of rupees 2000. Okay. Now next one is, thank you sir. Now next one is rupees 500. So this is the new currency of rupees 500 introduced by Government of India. Next is 200. As I hope you all know, earlier there was no 200 rupee currency. Okay. But now Government of India has introduced this currency, that is rupees 200. Now this is the currency, this is 100 rupees. Okay, this is the new currency introduced by Government of India. Thank you sir. Now let us come to this is a 50 rupee note. It is also a new currency which was introduced by Government of India. And this is the last one, that is rupees 10 note, which is introduced by Government of India. Thank you sir. Okay students, so let us move to exercise number 10.1. Okay, before starting exercise 10.1, let us see few things, or you can say let us learn few rules. Writing rupees and paise. Rupee is a larger unit of money than paise. We use P, that is capital P, to write paise and symbol of R to write rupees. Okay, a dot is used to separate rupees and paise. Figure on the left side of the dot represents rupees and figure on the right side of the dot represents paise. As you can see in your book, page number 172. Example is given, 21 rupees 50 paise is written as rupees 21.50. So 21 is rupees, point is dot, and then 50 paise. So in this way you have to write this currency in digits. Okay. Now let us move to exercise 10.1. Okay students, now let us start exercise 10.1. Express the following amount of money in figures. So you have to express this following amount of money into figures. Now how to express this? Okay, the question is express 3 rupees 85 paise into figures. So to expressing in figures, we have to convert this 85 paise into rupees. Now how will we convert paise into rupees? As you can see, I have done in the rough. We know 100 paise equals to rupee 1. So 1 paise becomes rupee 1 by 100. So 85 paise will become rupees 1 by 100 into 85, and final answer will be rupees 0.85. How 0.85? Because you can see 85 is divided by 100. If we have to convert paise into rupee, we have to divide it by 100. So we get the answer rupees 0.85. Now after getting this answer, what we have to do? we will add rupees 3.00 and rupees 0.85 and our final answer will be rupees 3.85. Okay, in this way you have to solve question number 1. There is one more easy way to solve this question. As you can see, it is written 3 rupees 85 paise. What you have to do, you have to simply write these digits, okay, and after writing, what you have to do, you have to just count from back side, means from right side, 1 2, and then you have to put dot. Okay, why we are counting only 2 digits? Because 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So we divide the given number by 100, and as you all know, in 100 there are 2 zeros. So from right we count the digits and then we put the decimal. So in this way you can solve question number 1. Now let us move to question number 2. Okay students, now question number 2. Express the following amount of money in words. In this, simply you have to write the given figures into words. As you can see, question number A, the figure is rupees 0.35. Rupees 0.35 means 0 rupees 35 paise. So we can write directly 35 paise. Okay. Now come to question number B. 33 rupees 50 paise, or you can say rupees 33.50. We have to write this money in words. So we will write it 33 rupees 50 paise, because this is rupees and this is paise. So in this way we have to solve question number 2. Now let us move to question number 3. Okay students, now let us start question number 3. As you can see, convert each of the following amount into paise. So the figure is given rupees 9.80. It is given in rupees. Now you have to convert it into paise. So we can see 80 paise. It is 80. 80 paise is already given in paise. So we have to convert this rupees 9 into paise. How will we convert rupees 9 into paise? We know rupee 1 equals to 100 paise. So rupee 9 equals to 9 into 100 paise plus 80 paise, because this is already given in paise. Now 9 into 100 equals to 100. So it becomes 900 paise plus 80 paise. So our answer becomes 980 paise. So students, in this way we can convert rupees 9.80 into paise. You have to solve all the questions in your classwork copy. Now let us move to question number 4. Okay students, now let us start question number 4. Convert each of the following amounts into rupees and paise. So as you can see in the question, it is given only paise. 9,582 paise. You have to convert this amount into rupees and paise. So how we will do this? Simply we will divide 9,582 by 100. Why we are dividing 9,582 by 100? Because 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay, that is why to convert this paise into rupees, as I have explained you in earlier question, we have to divide it by 100. Whenever you have to convert paise into rupees, you have to divide that amount with 100. Now let us see. As you can see, 9,582 paise divided by 100, we get the answer in figures rupees 95.82. Why we are pointing point here means after the 2 digit from right. This is my right. So we point the decimal after 2 digits from right. 1, 2 and then I put the point. Why? Because we are dividing paise by 100. And in 100 there are 2 zeros. So from right we take the 2 digits and then we keep the point. Now let us move to next question. of question number 4 only. The question is 5 paise. Now you have to convert this 5 paise into rupees and paise. The process is same. We divide this 5 paise by 100 and the process is again same. What we have to do, as you can see, we put decimal after 2 digits from right. Okay, so in this case also we will do the same. We will write this 5, but this is only single digit. So what we have to do, we will add one more 0 here and then we put point, and after point we can put 0. So our final answer will be rupees 0.05. Now let us move to one more question. Okay students, now let us move to question number C of the same question. This is given 142 paise. We have to convert this paise into rupees and paise. The process is same. We divide 142 by 100. Okay. Now 142 divided by 100 becomes rupees 1.42. The process is again same. As you can see, there are 2 digits in 100. So what we do, we put decimal from right after 2 digits. That is, this is my first digit, this is second digit, and then we put the decimal. So our answer becomes rupees 1.42. Now let us move to one more question. Question number D. 35 paise. Okay, in this question also what we have to do, we have to put decimal from right after 2 digits. So it is already given in 2 digits. So 1, 2 and then we put the decimal, and 35 paise becomes rupees 0.35. So in this way you have to convert paise into rupees and paise. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.